What happens when ancient martial arts meet cutting-edge artificial intelligence? In a stunning new video released by Chinese robotics company Agibot, humanoid robots are seen training side by side with Shaolin monks, performing kung fu movements with speed, balance, and surprising precision. The footage, filmed at the legendary Shaolin Temple, instantly went viral, blending centuries-old martial traditions with some of the most advanced humanoid robotics ever developed. At the center of this demonstration is Agibot's humanoid robot, Lynxy X2. What makes this robot special isn't just its physical ability, but the AI brain behind it. Lynxy X2 runs on an advanced system called Genie Operator-1, a model designed for zero-shot generalization. This means the robot can interact with new objects and perform unfamiliar tasks without needing long or repeated training. In simple terms, the robot doesn't just follow pre-programmed moves, it understands motion. Another key technology powering these robots is GO-1, an AI model that analyzes both past and real-time video frames to learn directly from human movement. By watching kung fu demonstrations, the robots are able to imitate complex martial arts sequences with impressive coordination and timing. This allows multiple robots to perform synchronized martial arts routines, closely matching the movements of the Shaolin monks training beside them. Agibot has previously showcased its humanoid robots performing tasks like riding bicycles and executing gymnastic maneuvers. But this Shaolin demonstration takes things to a new level, showing not just balance and strength, but rhythm, flow, and discipline. The bigger question is, what does this mean for the future? Beyond martial arts, this kind of embodied AI could transform robotics in fields like physical training, rehabilitation, industrial labor, and even human-robot collaboration in dynamic environments. For now, one thing is certain: kung fu is no longer just human. It's becoming mechanical,